Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Action and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera Pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the Pro. We can do it by using this button here. By tapping on this we can change the auto settings, which are now to the manual. So let's tap on this, and here we are in the Pro mode. This mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar, and let's go from the first one button. Here we have the focus, so we can change the autofocus from the beginning to the manual focus, and as you can see, this is how it works here. The next one button here is the white balance, so we can control the temperature of the picture in Kelvin degrees, and by using this slider we can make our picture just more warm by going to the right, or cold by going to the left. We have also the small icons here that suggest us which light is good for which area we are in and take a picture. So we have the tungsten light, then white fluorescent light, then the daylight and the cloudy light. So this is how it works, and of course at the beginning we have the auto settings, so don't be scared about it. The next one button here is the shutter speed, so here we can change the time of taking picture, and we can pick the time from 1/6,000 of seconds, so this is really short time of taking picture, and this is better to objects that are, for example, in move, and we can frozen them. While going to the right we make our time just much longer to the 32 seconds, so this is really long time, and this is better to objects that are stable. And of course at the beginning we have the auto settings, so the auto shutter speed. The next one button here is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right to 3 and 2,000 of it, so this is really wide spectrum and really pro. Here at the beginning of course we have the auto ISO, so there is no problem to go back to the auto settings. And the last one button here is the exposure compensation. By using this we can manage also the light of the picture, and by going to the right we can make it more bright, by going to the left we can make it more dark. This is how it works here. And at the center we have the 0 parameters, so here is auto exposure compensation. And now let's focus on this button here in the right. This is really cool, and this is one of my favorite options in the Motorola's devices, because by using this, as you can see, we have all of the sliders at the same time, so we can manage this at the same time by just doing this. And this is really cool here. And also here we have one extra button which appears here, as you can see, and we don't have to manage all of the settings to go back to the auto settings and separately go to the beginning. We can do it by just using this button here in the left. By tapping on this, all of this came back to the auto, so this is really cool here. And now let's focus for a while on this button also. As you can see, the settings manual to auto go now to the to the center. And here we have the JPEG. We can change here the format that we save our picture. We can pick the RAW format, so this is format used by professional photographers to taking pictures with more details and post-producing them in graphic programs. This is really pro here. We can also pick the RAW and the JPEG at the same time, so this option is also like in the real cameras. So for now let me stay on the JPEG, and let me manage the settings to take a picture. So for example the focusing, now let me pick maybe the cloudy light, so the warm, shutter speed, this one, and the ISO, maybe this, and here stays. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is the picture I've taken. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.